Good morning, children. Children, in our previous class, we learned how to change liters to milliliters. Okay, to convert liters to milliliters, multiply the number of liters by 1000 because 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay, today we are going to learn how to convert milliliters to liters. Milliliters to liters. To convert milliliters to liters, divide the number of milliliters by 1000. Divide the number of milliliters by 1000. As you already learned, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So, to change milliliters to liters, divide the volume, given volume by 1000. Okay. Let me explain this, children. (3,000 milliliter). Here we are changing the given volume to liters. Okay. You already learned 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1000 milliliter ചേരുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് 1 liter കിട്ടും. Okay. So 3000 divided by 1000. Children, dividing by 1000 means shift the decimal point 3 places to the left. Okay, that is 3000 divided by 1000 means you should shift the decimal point 3 places to the left side because in 1000 there are 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, that is 3.000. These zeros are valueless. Okay, after the decimal, the zeros are valueless. So, we can write this as 3 liters. Okay, so 3000 milliliter is equal to 3 liters. Here we are changing milliliter into liters. So, to change the volume in liters, we need to divide the given volume by 1000. We can divide by 1000 by shifting the decimal point 3 places to the left. Okay. I will explain you. 2500 milliliter. 2500 milliliter. Okay. 2500 divided by 1000. 2500 divided by 1000. Dividing by 1000 means shift the decimal 3 places to the left. 3 places കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് decimal point ഇടാം. Okay. So 1, you should start from here. 2, 3. Okay. So 2.500. ഈ സീറോസ് ഈ ഡെസിമൽ കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടാണ് വരുന്നത്. സോ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് വാല്യൂലെസ്. സോ വി ക്യാൻ റൈറ്റ് ഇറ്റ് ആസ് 2.5 liters. 2.5 liters. Okay. Let me explain more examples. Next is 7000 milliliter. 7000 divided by 1000. Shift decimal 3 places to the left. 1, 2, 3. 7.000. These zeros are valueless. So 7 liter. Okay, 7.000, which is equal to 7, because these zeros are coming after this decimal. This decimal കഴിഞ്ഞു വരുന്ന കാരണം ഇതിന് value ഇല്ല. So which is equal to 7 liters. Okay. Next is 8,400 milliliter. 8,400. Same method, divided by 1000. Put decimal 3 places to the left side. 1, 2, 3. So 8.400. Okay, which is equal to 8.4 liters. These zeros are valueless. Okay. So children, to change the volume in liters, we need to divide the given volume by 1000. Division by 1000 means shifting the decimal point 3 places to the left side. 3 places, because in 1000 there are 3 zeros. Okay. So left side like 3 places count ചെയ്തിട്ട് decimal point ഇടാം. Okay. Children, watch this video carefully and do the given work without any mistakes. Hope you all understood this. If you have any doubt about this topic, please send me a message. Okay. Thank you, children.